Hi everyone, I'm Diane Hogan. Welcome to Beauty All JJ's channel. She's a makeup artist, she's great. Subscribe to Beauty All JJ's channel and give this video Happy New Year to you all. Hope you guys enjoyed your holiday. Thank you guys for tuning in today. She's my first client for the year and I decided to film it so that you guys could see how I achieved these smoky eyes and glitters on it. First, we'll prime her face with Pond's face primer, then we'll go ahead to do the powder before foundation because she really has oily skin and I want the makeup to stay throughout the day. Then we'll go in with Maybelline Fit Me foundation. We'll leave all the details of the products I used on this video on the description box, so you guys should go check it out. To apply the foundation, we'll use the back of an eyeshadow brush, then we'll blend with a beauty blender.
In the sky, gazing far into the night.
To highlight her face, we'll be using LA Girl concealer in fawn. Then we'll also blend with a damp beauty blender.
Stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
The concealer will be using Sacha Buttercup as usual. Really love this setting powder because it does not leave the face cakey at the end of the day. For the brows, we use Airwoman in color 18 and H&E brow filler to define the brows. Then we'll go in with Melanin concealer in color 3 to define the down part of the brows. Then for the top part of the brows, we use her shade of foundation I used on her face to define the top part of her brows, and then blend it properly with an eyeshadow brush.
Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
Down to the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using an orange color first as the solution color. Then I'll go in with a red wine eyeshadow color on the outer V to help blend the eyeshadow I'll be applying on the lid. For the lid, we'll go in with LA Girl gel eyeliner just so that the black will pop out very well, and then after that we'll set it with a black eyeshadow. So after applying everything, we'll blend it very well so that there won't be any demarcations between the orange or the wine, the transition color and the black color applied. Go ahead to line her eyes and her waterline with LA Girl gel liner, and then we'll fix her lashes off camera. For the glitters, this is called Glamera in Bangkok. These glitters do not require glitter glue. I really love these glitters. I bought it from a store in Banex, Abuja. I can't really remember, but I'm going to try to put everything about it on the description box, so please check it out.
I raise my hand.
So we just go ahead to set the foundation I applied earlier on with Tara powder, and then set the face with Zaron setting spray.
Baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
For her lips, I'm going to line it with Zaron lip liner, and then we'll use a classic lip stain and a lip gloss on it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a big thumbs up. We'll talk to you guys later.